I was hired in June of 2014 to relaunch Playboy.com as a safe for work non-nude website. We weren't sure what that was going to turn out, how it was going to turn out, what the reaction was going to be. But what was great was we saw traffic go from about 4 million people a month when it was a nude portal to 16 to 20 million visitors a month when we took the nudity away. So it was great growth. So what we really looked at we looked at our business and said, okay, we've got our events are somewhat safe for work. They're fun, but somewhat safe for work. We have the website, which is safe for work. We've got our social media channels, which are safe for work. Maybe it's time to take a look at the magazine. It's an iconic, it's an American icon, really, the magazine. So what we did was myself and a few editors got into a room and decided that we should probably take nudity out of the magazine. One of the issues with having nudity in the magazine is we had this great brand DNA that was beyond nudity. It was, you know, in the 60s and 70s, nudity was provocative. It pushed the mores, it pushed the boundaries of America. But with the advent of the internet, nudity was ubiquitous. You could get it everywhere. It wasn't as provocative as it used to be. And because of the nudity in the magazine, we were up on the top shelf in a poly bag, so you couldn't see the cover. We were next to magazines that we didn't really feel were our competitors. So we realized if we take nudity out, we're going to be down next to the Vanity Fairs and New Yorkers and all the GQs and Esquires, the magazines that we really consider our true competitors. And so taking nudity out, we're still sexy, we still have women, it's still part of who we are, it's just presented differently. And I would consider it to be more intimate and sexier when you leave a little bit of mystery. So taking nudity out, we've kept the brand DNA, we haven't changed who we are. We've evolved certain areas, some of the humor, you know, we cover things like gaming a lot more because it's really, our audience loves it. But it's really changed the relevancy of the magazine. Now just having it out of the poly bag and by the checkout, just from a branding perspective, as people walk by, they're reminded, oh yes, that's Playboy, that's right there. And it's kind of it's a second chance at a first impression, and so far it's been well received. Video is our big initiative this year. We have a pretty sizable video team. We create about 25 videos a week. We create videos for every platform we're on, whether it's YouTube, Playboy.com, Facebook Live, Facebook videos, Instagram videos. Everywhere our audience is, we create videos tailored to that platform. And we're doing the digital Upfronts this year for the first time ever, so that's taking up a lot of my time, putting together a lot of the series and shows that we're going to be presenting there, which is pretty exciting. The video is a big push for us this year. We have pretty broad consumption. We have people consume stuff on our video content on our website. Facebook, we have a huge Facebook audience. We have 16 million followers on Facebook, and we can upload, when we upload directly there, we get crazy numbers of 20 million plus views to videos. We also have a dedicated Snapchat team who create the different kinds of videos there. It's more of a glimpse behind the curtain of what it's like at the mansion, or what it's like in our offices, or what it's like with the Playmates or influencers we have coming in. Video is permeating every aspect of the brand, whether it's the print side, the experiential side, digital side. It's everywhere. We're really ingraining that in the whole Playboy culture.
And what about monetization off the site with Facebook and other off-site distributions?
Yeah, it's the Wild West out there right now. There's still the traditional, you know, you've got your website, which you own your proprietary player and you control all the pre-roll and stuff, but figuring out how to monetize Facebook, direct uploads, Snapchat, everything is still, it seems like it changes every day. We're learning all the time. It's really great to sit and learn and listen to people who are smart. It's great to get a good perspective. It's always good to get out of your own little bubble in your office where you can kind of get that echo chamber going on. I love hearing different points of view, different experiences in the similar industry. Going forward, it's the platform struggle that everyone seems to be grappling with. That's the common theme throughout everyone I'm talking to. It's like, we got to publish everywhere. How do we be relevant everywhere? How do we do this right? How do we do it efficiently and monetize it? I think once everyone gets that figured out, that's going to be where more and more of the discussions go in the years to come.